Hey everyone, welcome to a brand new episode of our series Motorcycle Throttle, in which we continue our quest to review the best two-wheelers out there for you guys. Now in this one, we introduce you to a new successor of the mighty successful Activa series called the Activa 6G. It is a BS6 variant of the scooter that we love and adore. Start our review by assessing the looks and the design first. The scooter looks to be built for the Indian roads. With impressive curves, attractive paint job, well-rounded features and muscular design makes it a fantastic looking scooter from each angle. The blue paint scheme on the scooter looks to be on point. Fluid TC LED headlamp design with chrome accents in the front looks to be ahead of its curve. It has a modern and clean design from the front, and each design element is carefully crafted to keep it sober and elegant, keeping in mind the comfort of the rider. Now, the frame built around the scooter looks to be a great safety addition to enhance its comfort. It has a wide, comfortable seat crafted for the rider. The Honda branding on the grips looks nice, and the instrument cluster looks updated for 2020. Overall, the updated design of the 2020 variant makes it a worthy successor to the previous model. Now, let's talk about the power and performance figures of the scooter. The 110cc engine of the scooter is based on a world-class ESP technology. This technology helps the single motor system in noise reduction, reduced fuel consumption, and the low maintenance of the engine. The piston, spark plug, and crankshaft have been upgraded for better performance and to enhance the fuel efficiency of the engine. Cooling jet is there to spray constant amount of engine oil to the piston, thereby enhancing the performance of the piston. The scooter has a PGMFI 5, which is a fuel injection system sensor built in the engine to make it more efficient in terms of performance, fuel consumption, and better engine output. Honda claims this leads to a 10% increase in mileage figures. Enhanced smart tumble technology built in the engine leads to better turbulence of airflow, which improves combustion, fuel efficiency, and controls the engine oil temperature. The scooter has a telescopic suspension in the front, 3-step adjustable rear suspension, and ground clearance of 171 mm. All this creates the new ESP setup, which is there to increase performance and efficiency of the engine, which we will test now as we take it for a ride. Now the scooter feels comfortable to sit in. The ergonomics seems to be in place as we sit comfortably in an upright position with easy reach of the riding handle. The start-stop switch with built-in choke is easy to use, along with the multifunctional unit which has every function at one place to make your life easier as a rider. As we take it on the road, the pickup feels linear and strong. Riding the scooter on a busy road, the power delivery of the scooter is constant and smooth. Also, the brakes work well in the city roads. In terms of handling, the combination of underbone chassis, telescopic and hydraulic suspension units in the front and the back works well to maneuver the scooter in heavy traffic with ease. The scooter glides over the bad roads, and because of good ground clearance, the scooter feels on top of the potholes. Overall, the scooter feels peppier and smooth compared to its previous iterations. With the performance section done, we move on to the feature list. Plenty of space for utilities, a fantastic feature to have for every rider. A new instrument cluster, eco speed mode available with the rider, malfunction light indicator, start stop switch, more leg room at 23 mm, 3-way passing switch for every kind of beam level, double lid external fuel cap, 5-in-1 multifunctional switch area, DC LED headlamp for constant lighting, combi brake with equalizer. Now, along with the features, there is an option of adding multiple accessories to further enhance looks and utility elements of the Activa. Accessories such as stand set guard kit, seat cover, mat floor, basket, sari step, body cover, grip cover are available through the Honda service centers. They serve as a great additional tool to add to the utility and design of the scooter. We forgot to mention that the scooter comes in a host of different colors such as glitter metallic blue, pearl Spartan red, dazzle yellow metallic, black, pearl precious white, matte access grey metallic. Overall, we can safely say that it is probably the most feature-loaded vehicle in its category. It is a fantastic option for people looking to buy a scooter in the market. Trust our word when we say it will be hard to find better options than this in the market. If you want to know the latest prices of the scooter, you can go to any Honda two-wheeler showroom near you or check out the Honda motorcycle and scooter website. If you happen to live in Noida, you can check out the scooter in the Honda flagship store known as Prakash Honda. With this, we end our review video. See you in the next one. Bye.